movie that I think you like. It's got a size to quit.